Have you ever wondered why your channel should be having low views? Or it is normal that you have low subscribers, that's why your channel is having low views? But I can tell you that there are some channels that have higher subscribers but they still have low views. Why? Because their channel has been shadow banned. Shadow ban is just like a punishment that YouTube is trying to give us. But the worst part of it is that when they give you the shadow ban, if your channel is shadow banned, they will not give you any notification that that channel has been shadow banned. It is not a copyright strike or a community strike that they will give you a notification that that channel is under a shadow ban. But they only punish you in a sense that you will not be having more views the way you used to have the views. Your video will not be getting views, even if it is short or long form video, it will not be getting views because that your channel has been shadow banned. So the only way to know is, for example, now maybe your channel have been getting views from 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and also you just post a new video and that video is stuck on 20, 30. It is not normal. You violate one of the things that give your channel a shadow ban. So the only thing is for us to fix this shadow ban is for me to tell you what give us shadow ban, so that when you avoid it, then when you avoid it, your channel will not get shadow ban. And if your channel gets shadow ban, by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can remove that shadow ban so that your channel will start getting more views. So I have it on my list. I wrote it on the paper, which I'm not going to express it. I'm going to tell you bit by bit. So stick on this video so that you will be able to know the kind of thing that you should avoid. Number one is avoid spamming. Like spamming in the sense that you ask people on your comment section to subscribe to your YouTube channel. YouTube does not like that. YouTube doesn't like that. If you want someone to subscribe to your YouTube channel, maybe see that person on the WhatsApp, chat with that person, but don't put it on the comment section. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then that person subscribe to the YouTube channel and also comment below. Done. Pay back, like sub for sub. If YouTube get to see that, YouTube will spam your channel. Your channel will enter shadow ban. You will not be getting more views because YouTube does not like it. That's number one thing you should avoid. If you want to do sub for sub, whenever you carry it to a comment section, I ask people to comment, so I've submit or subscribe. Any other always commenting. Never you ask anybody to. If you see short comment, if you have someone to comment for you, you have someone to subscribe for you, and that person after subscribing, person went ahead and commented on one of your videos, just delete it out. Delete it out. Do not allow it to be inside that your comment because YouTube does not like it. That's number one. Number two is excess deleting. Like you delete and re-upload. Maybe you posted a video and you are not sure of that video. You delete that video and you upload it again. It's not always making sense to YouTube. Instead, watch that video and make sure that that video is okay for you before you post it. And when you post it, make sure that it is on private. Check it out as you look on YouTube before you make it publish. Don't publish video today. In the next 2 minutes, you delete it out and you upload that same video. In the next 3 minutes, you delete it out and you upload that same video. YouTube will shadow ban your channel. But that channel will not get views. Even that video will not get views. Another one here in my list is posting same video multiple times. Posting that same video multiple times. Maybe that video got 2 views and you want to repost it again so that you get the views. You posting that same video multiple times will give you a channel shadow ban. Another one here is overusing of tag. You saw one of your coaches using tag and you want to use your own tag. You can copy all of your coaches tag and put in your video so that your video will fly more than their video. Overusing of tag can shadow ban that video and can also shadow ban your channel. Another one here is copy and paste description. Yes, you saw someone description, you read it, you like it, and you just copy the same description and get to your video and just paste it like that. It will shadow ban your channel. And another one is sudden niche switching. Like if you were doing cartoon, or maybe you were doing music video, or you were doing tutorial on how to make this, and you saw someone making another cartoon or making another something like you like, or teaching people how to do this or how to do that, you just suddenly switch it at once without your audience getting to know you. When YouTube recommend your video to your right audience, your right audience will not watch it. Or sometimes if they watch it and if they get to know that that is not what they subscribe for, they will leave the video, and it will give signal to their algorithm that this is not good, that this video is not good for the channel, and that video will die there and your channel will be shadow banned. Another one is mass commenting your link everywhere. You watch someone content, when you want to comment, you comment with your video link. You comment it for like 100 comments on someone's comment, even though it's not that person, but on YouTube, commenting with your link, it will shadow ban your channel. So the best thing for you to do in order for you not to get this shadow ban is for you to avoid this. If you have noticed this on your channel, just know that your channel has been shadow banned, but YouTube will not notify you that your channel has been shadow banned. So the best thing for you to do, that I told you, I'm going to tell you how to remove it. How to remove it is for you to stop all these things I'm saying. Avoid this for 28 days. Just avoid it for 28 days. After 28 days, you will start seeing results. So that is the only solution for you to do if your channel is shadow banned. You just avoid all these things I'm telling you. For 28 days, you start seeing your video going more than the way you used to see it. So that is the best way to avoid shadow ban. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you will avoid this so that your channel and your video will go viral. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm just starting. This is my second video. I'm just starting. Please do best to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you will also be the part of the family. Anything you don't understand, comment it below. I'm right here to tell you. So don't mind about my background. I wanted to say it at the end of my video. My background, I'm just trying to fix my studio. So with time, if you are with me for now, you get to see how I get to fix this studio bit by bit. So if you love this channel, it's just an upcoming channel, do best to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in our next class. Anything you don't understand, comment it below, and the next topic that you want me to teach you on, just comment it below. Thank you. I love you all.